Our world is pretty awesome. If you take a step back and look at our surroundings, you'll see a wonderful world full of color, texture, and atmosphere. The vibrant, diverse fabric of our humanity is woven through the artwork we create. Our creative expression demands at times to create complex illusions that generate a strong emotional connection with our audiences. Hello everyone, and welcome to Module 9, where we will examine how to build complex, detailed materials and textures using the physically based rendering or PBR system in Blender. Throughout this process, we'll learn how to leverage the power of the nodal shading system to generate detailed, physically based materials and textures. Our goal is accuracy. We want to be able to create, apply, and position materials and textures within the models to effectively communicate the surface characteristics to the audience. The PBR workflow allows us to control individual channels of our materials and further refine the physical accuracy of the materials we are striving to create. One of the really great benefits of working within the PBR system of material authoring is that this system is used all around the 3D industry to define the surface characteristics of our models. Real-time rendering engines like Unreal or Unity use this system as the standard for their material definition, as well as offline renderers like Cycles, Renderman, and V-Ray. It's as close to an industry standard as we can get in the 3D world. I like to think that the process of creating our material graphs inspires our inner mad scientists to emerge. Admittedly, it's a little technical, and there's no way around it. However, engineering our material graphs can be creative if we let it, kind of like figuring out a really good puzzle. To help us learn how to create PBR materials, we're going to bring a model of a witch's cauldrons to life by creating a collection of physically based materials for the model during our lab assignment. At the end of this project, you'll have learned how to utilize all of the channels in our materials to accurately define the surface of our cauldron, all procedurally, by the way, using shader graphs. Next, we'll apply what we've learned in our lab assignment to the completion of our treasure chest. You successfully completed the model of the treasure chest in the previous module, so now it's time to create and apply your own materials and textures to your treasure chest. I can't wait to see what you come up with. We've got a lot to cover in this module, so let's jump in and start building physically based materials.